The 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power liftgate, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, keyless start. Your new ride is just a phone call away.